This video is sponsored by Posh Case, providers of unique and sophisticated case. Kindly support this channel by visiting their Instagram page. The link is in the description box. Good afternoon, guys. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, you're highly welcome. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button while you're at it. Today I'll be unboxing this little baby I just bought. Ta-da! This is the Blue Eye Snowball. Blue Eye Snowball. I've been waiting for this parcel to arrive. It just arrived yesterday, so I had to pick it up today. I'm so excited to use this. This is just basically a microphone. When I start using this baby here, you start getting the best audio you can ever wish for. So no more chicory kind of audio. You get the best quality audio. So what I'm basically going to be doing now, I want to unbox it so you could experience the look. We could experience the look together. So let's get right into it. See it? Oh. Okay. Is this something there? Yep, this is it. Can you see? So cute. Oh. It looks like a robot. It looks like a robot. Can you see? Okay, that's not all. And it also has, I'm new to this actually. I'm new to this. Finally, it's out. A stand. Oops. It has a cute stand. And the USB cord to connect to the system. This is good for voiceovers. I'll read what it does. So okay, I think I just fixed this like this. Okay, and you have something like this, a rubber head. Pew. So I think it'll be nice I show you my setup. Okay, this is basically what it look like. So let me see if I can actually try it out, or in my subsequent videos that's what I'll be using. But for today I'm still using my phone, and I like the way it looks. It's not heavy, it's very portable, very portable, and it's light. It's not fragile because it's durable, but I feel I should take really good care of it, because The head is kind of big, and look at the stand. This is just an honest review. Nobody's paid me actually, but I bought it with my money, my own hard earned money. So hopefully from now on I'll be giving you guys the best video you'd ever ask for, like audio wise. So I just want to go through the manual, not the manual, the carton, to actually tell you basically what this does. Plug and play USB microphone, improve audio quality for your Skype, your message, and FaceTime, record instructions and vocals, add crystal clear audio to your recording for YouTube. Just what I needed. Okay, easy plug and play directly to your Mac or your PC. No drivers to install, just plug and play. You don't need to install those annoying CDs. So if you're considering doing YouTube, you're into voiceovers for adverts, for different kind of things, you can get this. It's very affordable. I think I got it for $49. Yes, I'll put the link below. I got it from Amazon. It was shipped to SGK. There's this company that ships things to Nigeria. I think $3.5 per pound. Yes, so they shipped it to Nigeria to me. So if I was going to ship it from Amazon straight to Nigeria, I was going to pay for my nose. God knows. So I don't know, I love it. I like it. It's beautiful. It's very fanciful. So if you like it, go get yours. This is mine, and I love it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and tell me what you think about my new microphone. It's all for you. I bought it all for you guys so that I can give you the best audio, because for now I'm still using my phone. When God provide, when Baba God bless the daughter, I'll change it to a correct camera, high quality HD camera, so that I can always give you guys the best, because you all deserve it. Thank you. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click that bell icon beside that subscribe button. The subscribe button is just red. So see you in my next video. Bye for now.
Speak no lie, for you my queen, I go try, I go die. Anywhere you go, I go follow. Now you be my joy of tomorrow, yeah. My pretty queen, I want you to know, I serve you with my life and my soul, yeah. I can do anything with this world, I'll show you how much I love you, I need you. Now you go be my ifunaya. I give all I have and I swear to you. Now you go be my ifunaya. I wanna build my world around you. Yeah.